In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add portfolio link in LinkedIn. First things first, you want to head over to your website right here, and then you want to click on view profile. Once inside, you then want to click on the pencil icon right beside your name right here or right below your profile icon. Inside this page, you can just scroll all the way down and there will be an option for you to add your profile link. You can also click on the edit contact information, and basically from here we then have the add website option. In some other cases it will be right below the previous window, but in our case, or in my case, it's inside the added contact information. Click on the add website and I'm going to paste my GitHub repository right here, or my GitHub page. I'll click on the save button and basically it will appear at the top of my profile right here. So if they click on the contact information, they will be able to see your website right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.